Okay, I'm throwing a P2004 and a P2009. So that's the VTCS, the butterfly flaps inside the intake manifold. And the components are, there's a little black grommet underneath this vacuum resonance chamber here. This little solenoid, vacuum diaphragm, and then right there is a plunger that tells the PCM when this is open or closed, the VTCS system. Now, usually a little plastic piece that contacts this is on an arm that this pushes, and it breaks, and that's usually when you throw the codes on throw. But fortunately and unfortunately for me, that is not my problem. The plastic bit is still there. Now, you can just vacuum check this, make sure it's sealed nice and well, which mine is. I already checked it. And so, right here, if you look at this solenoid like this is a negative right here. I got my black lead on it, and this is a positive, and I got it going over to my battery. It's unhooked. Anyways, now I'm applying vacuum. So, how you can tell if it works, literally just take the negative lead and touch it. There you go, and you heard it click, I believe. So there you go, you know that works. So all I need to do from here, I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect this positive because I don't want that shorting out on anything. So you undo your vacuum here. I'm gonna set this down for a second so I can put this nozzle into this vacuum diaphragm right here. So on the back of this, it's really hard to tell because this little connector is in the way, but there is an arm right back there. Yeah, you can see it. It's in between. Yeah, it's right there. Right back there. So if I pump this up with vacuum, you can see my diaphragm's working. That's max pressure. I'm gonna try to slowly release it. There you go. And that plastic piece, yeah, you can kind of see it right there on top of this metal arm. Mine's working, well, it's still there, so I know that's not the problem. It contacts this plunger. And I measured for continuity when it was closed and open, this plunger here that I am touching. So that works correctly. I have yet to find my problem, so you know how to test this now. That's fairly simple. There should be little to no resistance in those butterfly flaps. Obviously with this same connector right here, you're going to be pushing against it, so there's that problem. But you can still feel that they're moving. Next thing would be a take off removing carbon. I just did that because I did the intake valve cleaning. So I just went ahead and did the intake manifold. And yeah, unless somehow I fuck something up, put it back together the last time, I'm pretty sure I'm still going to throw the code because everything's working that I know of. So, and I checked the rest of the harness, it's fine as far as I can tell. But I'll see. Anyways, so you know how to test these things. Pretty straightforward. There's like 3 things in total, 4 if you count that plastic bit. But if you guys have any solutions, let me know. Thank you.